Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in this time to my 3104th edition of Short-Term Trading live with Oscar Carboni. Good evening, and thank you for tuning in. Traders, let me start with this. Thank you for your heartfelt, just all your beautiful writings. Everybody praying for Lisa, your beautiful texts, your letters to me, your emails, your comments on my videos. Thank you so much. Lisa is finally out of the hospital 5 days later, and she's resting peacefully at home. You know, she's got a long recovery. We have like almost an invalid on our hands for now who's going to recover rapidly. You know what I mean? It's just what happens after such major back surgery. Another thing I would like to do is this. I have to say, I have, knock on wood, I've spent many nights in the hospital in my life, but only for things like this. Hang out with my mom, my dad, my brothers overnight, 2-3 days in a row. Lisa, when she was having our kids. Lisa, this time I spent 5 days with her in the hospital. And here's why I knocked on wood. The only time I've been in the hospital overnight is to either hang out with people and entertain them, or when I was born as a little baby. So I don't know much about how you get treated in hospitals personally, but I know how watching patients are being treated by hospitals. And I have to say this, after all the times I've spent watching kind of miserable, a miserable stay at certain hospitals, I am going to give a shout out and a round of applause to two places. One is the Spine and Brain Institute, Dr. John Anson. Doc, thank you so much for what you've done. You are a master. Thank you. And your staff, the hospital you use, Southern Hills Hospital, the 5th floor staff. I'm talking about the doctors, the nurses, the physical therapists, everyone there that was there to help us, even the janitors. They were so nice. They were so helpful. It felt like Lisa was staying in a 4-star, 5-star restaurant with a hotel attached to it. That's what it felt like. They made sure you ate well. They made sure you had anything you wanted. And I never once got that look of, oh, you're asking for something else. They were just so helpful. They were so instrumental in Lisa getting better quickly. A shout out to the staff of the 5th floor from July 9th through July 13th. You guys are amazing. I didn't get all of your names, so I didn't want to mention any, but you know who you are. The 5th floor staff helping Lisa out from July 9th through the 13th. Wow, just an amazing staff, an amazing stay. Thank you for what you did. All right, now let's move forward to bigger and better things. I'm home, I'm back, I'm in my domain. I hung out with Lisa. I just camped out in that place. I moved in with my computers and I camped out in that hotel, I almost called it, in that hospital. Now let's go to work. For trading on Wednesday, that would be July 15th, 2026. The Omni is just flopping like mad. Every day we're getting a new signal. Buy, sell, buy, sell. It's flip-flopping. Generally, what we've learned over the last 40 years is that means we're getting ready to vacate the area. We're getting out of here, kids. That's why we're flip-flopping like this. The market wants to go, and it's getting ready to make a move. Now, looking at this chart, E-mini S&P, Omni is green for trading on Wednesday. Looking at this major pennant right here, this big pennant, the Omni has flip-flopped many times right here. What is going on? Are we breaking out of the pennant? Or is this, if you've watched enough of my videos, you'll get this, is this a knock moment? Knock. How many times do you have to knock on a door in this business before it opens? Is this a knock moment? You've seen these in my past videos. You know what I mean by a knock moment. Yes, we know it's a pennant, guaranteed. Is this a knock moment? Or is something else going on? Look at this. Are we now developing a new channel inside the pennant, breaking out of the pennant and running towards the upside? A lot of bullishness going on there, right? Even with the war going on, war on, war off, war on, war off. Omni flipping like mad. Market still looks like it wants to move higher. You got to give that a round of applause so far. Now we're going to go look at another chart to see what's going on. Why is the Omni bullish? Why is the market bullish? Chart masterpiece, the NASDAQ weekly bar. You've seen this for years and years, my video fans. Remember when I was talking about this is a weekly chart, this is a weekly bar. Do not forget, that was the name of my video for a week straight. Don't forget it's a weekly. And on Friday, we rallied all the way up and stayed above this channel. Now, what makes this significant? You could not get above this channel. You could not get below this channel. The only way you could get below this channel is when Trump did tariffs. Boom, it went under the channel. Came right back out, got into the channel, stayed inside this channel ever since. The last set of tariffs, by the way, or the war, when the war began, I should say, knocked us out for just a week. Then we went right back up. Boom, boom, boom. But then this happens. Instead of stopping here and stopping here like it always does, it gets through, holds, has that 1 week where we got under but settled above, holds, 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 and here we are. That, my friends, is very bullish looking for now. Unless something changes, that absolutely bodes well with the bullish Omni and that S&P chart that you looked at. So we looked at an S&P daily. We looked at a NASDAQ weekly. We're going to go look at a NASDAQ monthly. This is a monthly chart of NASDAQ where each one of these bars is a full month's worth of trading. Now, if any of you recall, I used this chart to make magic happen in 2024. The market was here. It was never any higher. And I got a weird signal from the market. And it said we would drop all the way to 15,300, give or take 500 points by April 25th. This was in November of 24. Trump becomes the president. We end up with tariffs, and right to the date that I called for the drop, the market incredibly goes down to that target. I didn't even know who the president was going to be then. Goes down to the target. Well, maybe we did know who the president was, but we didn't know what he was going to do. And bam, and we were all in shock. Well, we came out of that drop, back in the channel, stayed in the channel, built a bull flag, held the bottom of the channel, got above it, 3 months above the channel. Like the weekly, but even stronger because it's a monthly. Now that is evidence that this wants to go higher no matter what's going on out there. So that takes care of our indices, and we are buyers of dips for trading on Wednesday. Now I'm going to take you to where we left off, a gift. Traders, you remember the gift I left you with? I said, this is a gift to my OMNIACs. I did a video in front of the screen, out in front of my whiteboard, in front of the cameras. I said, I'm going to give you a gift. TTWO, the makers of GTA, Grand Theft Auto, they're putting out their game. It's been taking years and years to finally put it out. It's finally going to get put out, and here we are at a double top. My gift to you is, when we see a double top, we sell a double top. And I said to you, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm telling you that that's, what we'd expect to happen. This is what's happened since I offered that gift to you. Is that not amazing? Is that not amazing? Just unbelievable. So that gift worked out. Now I'm going to show you something else. Take a look at this. I don't know if this is a gift or not, but this is a target. Watch this. I'm going to now give you a target. And that target is in SpaceX. I told you when SpaceX came out, as soon as I get enough information, I'll start giving downward targets. Why? Well, because SpaceX has been building up and building up and building up and building up and building up to the IPO. And anyone who was rich enough and had 10 million plus at Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley got the IPO at pre-IPO offer, right? 135. Everyone else that couldn't afford that jumped in at 150 when it went IPO. Everyone else after that bought it all the way up to the 200 mark. Who is going to be left to buy it? It all happened in the first 3 days. Who's left? Nobody. That's what I mentioned many times, and I told you I'll get to projections as soon as I have enough chart pattern. I've got enough chart pattern now to tell you that SpaceX first projection is 107 to 106. Now, that's down here. Now, I am a huge fan of SpaceX and the products it makes. I'm a huge fan of Elon Musk, the cars he makes, the stuff he puts out. I love watching this modern-day inventor in our lifetime before our own eyes. That's got nothing to do with reading charts, kids. I read a chart, I tell you what the chart says. We going down in SpaceX. Another maybe gift for you if you want to look at it that way. But this next chart is a gift to you. Watch this. Let's go here. Another gift to my OMNIACs. I'm going to take you to a spot. You're going to love it. It's the charts that give us these gifts. I'm just the interpreter. I'm the messenger boy for you. So check this out. Gold still looks ugly. Another gift to my Omniacs. You know what it is? Get ready for a gold signal. Why would I know there's one coming up? Well, let's take a look at gold's patterns. Runs up to the top of the channel, and what happens? We go down. Runs up to the top of the channel, hits the channel, and what happens? We go down. Runs back, hits the bottom of the channel this time, runs back to the top of the channel, we go down. Runs back up, hits the top of the channel, it goes down. Just ran up, just hit the top of the channel on Tuesday. Get ready for another signal on Wednesday, kids. This is my gift to you. Gold is about to offer a signal. What would that signal be? Failure here, down we go. Get above here, a rally ensues and the stops get taken out. We are about to get a signal. Be patient. We'll get one at the end of trading on Wednesday, and we'll see what gold wants us to do. Another gift to my Omniacs. I hope these gifts help you. Speaking about gifts, the best gift I could ever give anyone is the gift of OmniCamp. If you are wise, you will fill out your OmniCamp applications at omnibootcamp.com right now. Why? Because OmniCamp seats are filling up quickly, and I'm only taking 5 students. That's it. And some of those seats are already accounted for. This is September 10th through the 14th here in Las Vegas in my home office. Omni Bootcamp. You want to learn how to be in plain English. You want to learn how to be an ass-kicking analyst? Fill out your Omni Bootcamp applications now at omnibootcamp.com. Get ready to spend a 4-day weekend with me in my home office, September 10th through the 14th. omnibootcamp.com. Fill out your app. If you don't know where else to go get that application, below this video in the description and below in the other stuff you put under the videos, you will see A, where you can purchase the Omni token, B, Omni Bootcamp application. Make sure you fill it out. Now, gold is probably going to fail here. That is what the pattern has been. Let's let gold tell us. We do not want to tell gold what it's going to do. We wait for gold to give itself a name, and then we name it. When gold says a failure here, we call it a failure. If gold calls it a breakout, we call it a breakout. Let gold name itself. What else do you have? Silver. Where there's gold, there's silver. Where there's ugly gold, there's uglier silver. This looks terrible, kids. Silver looks nasty. Maybe it goes up for a day or two every now and then, but this looks nasty, and I've been showing this to you for weeks and weeks. Big old nasty head and shoulders. Break down from that head and shoulders into a bear flag, pull into a bear flag, break down from the bear flag. Nothing pretty about silver. Sell the rally mode still, just like in gold. That could change when we see what gold does tomorrow, but we are in sell the rally mode unless something different happens. What else do we have out there, traders? Another maybe gift for you too. Look at this. If you haven't purchased your Omni tokens yet, you are not paying attention. Look at the Omni Phoenix. This is the day we started it. From the ashes, we will rise. Look at this thing go. Bam, 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 bam. Up out of the apex. Boom, into a channel. Up into another channel. The whole thing is a bigger blue channel. Fantastic coin. Fantastic Omniac crowd all over the world. You Omniacs who are in, if you see a red bar, come in and defend yourselves and buy more. We will do the same. Anybody in this coin that doesn't want to 10x it with us, that's all right. You don't want to take the ride? So be it. Us Omniacs around the world know how to protect ourselves and our coin. Make sure you do it. If you didn't get in the coin yet, Omniacs, what are you waiting for? Get a Phantom wallet, buy Omni Phoenix. Go to Coinbase, buy Omni Phoenix. Pump.fun, buy Omni Phoenix. Most exchanges, you can buy Omni Phoenix. My crowd is enormous. I've been building them since the early 1980s. They know this is going higher. They know my integrity. I invite you to jump on the train, get into our liquidity pool, and send me an email. If you're in the coin and you got a decent sized position, shoot me an email and I'll keep you on our email database. When it's time to do something as a crowd, we will all do something as a crowd together. You have my word. I will contact all. Make sure everybody who started this coin with me, the traders, the entrants that were early, you were all on my list, every one of you. If you have a big position, make sure you get on my mailing list. Send an email. Do not forget. Let's move forward. Go get your Omni Phoenix, kids. What else is left? Let's go back here. Let's go here. And let's say this. Yes, silver and gold look ugly, but the stock market for now does not. right? Look, every signal I just showed you is bullish, bullish, bullish. And so are we, unless the Omni changes. All right, traders, I hope all of this helps. Make sure you fill out your OmniCamp applications. Thank you all for your pouring out of goodwill for Lisa. And remember, stop soaring. Emotions are rock and roll. Thank you for everything you do. Please leave your comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any and all of them myself.